Strategically located right opposite Strathmore University, the pahali pazuri Airbnb at Westpointe Apartments not only offers amazing accommodation so close to the Nairobi CBD and Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, but also comes with a recreational rooftop terrace with a pool accessible to residents 24/7. The apartment is tastefully furnished with all the modern amenities you will need. Did I mention how convenient the swinging seat at the balcony is for, chilling? But by now, we all know my mark of quality in an Airbnb is a kitchen, and this one was hella impressive. If anything, it's among the best kitchens I have had the pleasure to cook in at any Airbnb so far. What's your mark of quality in an Airbnb? Let me know in the comments section. For just 4,500 shillings a night, spend time at this amazing one-bedroom apartment with all you need to make amazing meals for the two of you. Contact details to the Airbnb are in the caption. During my stay there, I made some braised brisket stew. Check out the ingredients and step-by-step process on my recipe blog, linked below. To get started, add some cooking oil in a large cooking pot, set the heat to high and allow it to get really hot. While the oil heats, dry the brisket chunks by gently patting the excess water using paper towels. Once ready, add the brisket pieces to the hot cooking oil in small batches to avoid overlapping, then fry till brown. Turn over the meat to make sure all sides are well done and set aside. Season generously with black pepper and salt while still hot. Back to the now hot but empty cooking pot. Keep the heat on high before returning all the brown brisket chunks. Follow up with the diced red onions while stirring. Cook the onions until they are soft and fragrant, then go in with the garlic and tomatoes. Again, let them simmer and cook till soft and form a thick paste in preparation for my favorite part, waru time. It is advisable to let the brisket cook a little longer at this point if you like your meat soft, but I went right ahead and added my potatoes at this point and allowed them to cook for a few minutes till they started absorbing the sauce. And only then did I add the roughly chopped carrots. Cook for 3 more minutes before adding enough water to nearly cover the pot ingredients. This also helps with deglazing the pot. Stir once more, lower the heat and cover. Slow cook until the potatoes are soft. Caution should be taken to not overdo it, else you end up with mashed potato gravy. Your meal is now ready for consumption. I paired this with chapati, but let me know what you'll have taken it with in the comments section. Try the recipe and share your results. I'd love to see what you guys whip up.